Afternoon. Alright, this afternoon we're going to talk about solving radical equations. This is going to require you to just know how to get rid of a radical and understanding some of the stuff that we've been doing there. So, first example, we're given x equals the square root of 4x plus 1. I want to look at getting this here by itself so that I can get rid of it. So first thing I have to do is I have to subtract 1 to both sides. So that gives me x minus 1 equals the square root of 4x plus 1. From here, now I need to get rid of the radical. Well, knowing that square root of x squared equals the absolute value of x, that tells me that if I want to get rid of a radical, what I have to do then is I actually have to square both sides, because I know that's going to get rid of a radical. Okay? Now, this is x minus 1 squared, which is the same thing as x minus 1 times x minus 1. It does not equal x squared minus 1 squared. This is not the case. Wrong. It's this. So you have to use your FOIL. That's x squared. That's minus x plus 1, which gives you x squared. If I add these together, that's negative 2x plus 1. Let me erase this. And that equals 4x plus 1. And now I'm going to solve for x, so I have to move 1 over and 4x over, which gives me x squared minus 6x, these cancel, equals 0. And once you get here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to factor. So you get x equals x squared, x equals x minus 6. Now, since this is multiplication, this tells you that x equals 0, or x minus 6 equals 0, and you solve for x. So I add 6 to both sides, I get x equals 6. So here are my two answers, x equals 6 or x equals 0. Okay? So these aren't that bad. You just have to remember how to get rid of a radical. Okay? When I look at number 2, again, same idea. So I'm going to subtract 7 to both sides. I get the square root of 5x minus 1 equals 3. Now I'm going to square both sides, because now I got to get rid of the radical. That gives me 5x minus 1 equals 9. Now I solve for x. So I add 1 to both sides. I get 5x equals 10. Divide by 5. I get x equals 2. Okay? So this is all there is to radicals. Always get it by itself, then square it, then solve. Alright? Make sure you write down any questions you have. I know the notes are short tonight, but these are going to be very important for us over the next couple days. Let's make sure that, write down any questions you have, and also make sure you get your steps done. Alright guys, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.